Hey YouTube. For today's video, I would like to show you my camcorder, but I will have to use the webcam, so I'm afraid the quality won't be too good. But first, I would like to show you some footage that I recorded earlier. So, before I show you the camcorder, the footage is what I'll show you first. So, yeah. Roll the footage.
Dancing naked for Charlie.
Oh, no. So, right. Here we are on the move. And we're back in the most rubbishest car in the world. I think I'll turn this way, actually. We're back in my brother Ian's car. Ian, do you want to say anything? You do? He's gone very camera shy. And then we've also got my brother's friend with us as well, because I won't mention names, because we are all going out for a meal, as it is my dad's birthday. Oh, and my camera has only got 1 ounce of battery. Did I actually say that? Oh God. 1 ounce of battery. That sucks. So we're all going out for a meal, which will be quite good. So if you would like to leave a comment telling my dad happy birthday, then we would very much appreciate it. I was hoping to get him, say something, but he's not in the car with us, he's in my other brother's car. So, oh, and by the way, apologies for the crap music, it's my brother Ian's choice. Are you sure you don't want to be filmed? Right, he's saying
no way.
You're not being filmed, I'm not doing it. Ooh, it's bad. So, right, I best go before the battery runs out. See you all later. So, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of footage that I recorded earlier. And now we're on to the webcam. Because I need to use the webcam to film the camcorder, obviously, so I'm afraid that the quality is going to drop slightly. I don't know where that word accent's come from either. So yeah, the quality is going to drop slightly, so I thought I'd just forewarn you of that. So here we are, roll the webcam. Basically, you have the front, which is obviously this part. No, that's the front. I find it hard when it's on reverse, obviously. And then move it to the side. Obviously we've got the strap. Then you have the back, which is basically this is the battery. And then this bit, obviously, is the that bit. I need to pull that out. And the best thing, or the two best things I think on here, are the fact that I can turn it that way, it's fun, and then turn it to face me if I'm filming. Just take names off. And I can turn it back. And the other thing is, I don't think you'll see this, guys, but there is a laser here, and if I go onto the menu, which obviously will be on reverse, so on that side, on here, yeah, then I can go onto my laser screen like that to get my menus up, to scroll through my menus. So I think it's a really cool little camera, and it's compact, so it's just brilliant. So that was my little insight, and I'll see you tomorrow for Monday's video. Have a good evening.